In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit USDT in JustMarkets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover on the left side panel and then click the Funding. JustMarkets supports several payment options, including cards, banks, wallet, and crypto. Here, all we have to do is choose the USD or USDT or Tether. Now on the blockchain network, you will see that you have multiple options if you click the drop-down menu. Select the network carefully. You have TRC20, ERC20, and BEP20. Other networks may also be available depending on your region or country. Now it's important to know to make sure the network you choose matches the one in your crypto wallet, because sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds. If you're sure about it, all you have to do now is enter the amount, and this is going to be the USDT to be deposited, and click the deposit option. Now, remember, before you can proceed, you need to complete the identity and the residence verification. And always double check the wallet address before confirming that transfer, because once confirmed, your funds will appear in your JustMarkets trading account, which is going to be around here. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to deposit USDT in JustMarkets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.